Hey everyone, in today's video I'm doing my daily physical routine that takes only 9 minutes. Before we start, don't forget to wash your hands and moisturize your face. I always start my massage by opening lymphatic drainage system. Lymphatic drainage massage is an effective way to detoxify the body and reduce facial swelling due to the fluids buildup in the facial tissues. For today's massage, I'm only massaging collarbones part, the neck, back of the neck, and also ears. Then we go up to the face, starting with double chin area. For this part, I like to do mewing technique. For this technique, you have to place the tip of your tongue just behind the upper front teeth. Keep your tongue up, then open and close your mouth for 30 seconds. Do not tense up your jaw. Exercise number 2 is for jawline, and for this you have to just so easily move from the chin to the ears and do this for 10 times. We go to the chin area. I do this exercise because I like a sharp shaped chin. But if you don't want that, you can just skip this exercise. Exercise number 4 is for lower lip muscles that helps lip corners to lift. Then we go to upper lip muscles. This massage will help to reduce barcode lines on the lip and also will make the lips plumper. Next exercise is the best because it helps three parts on the face. It helps with mouth corners to lift, the smile lines to reduce, and the cheeks to lift and sculpt. Do this exercise for 10 times on each side. Exercise number 7 is for smile lines. I'm only drawing these lines to show you how you should place your hands on your face and apply this exercise. This exercise also helps with the cheeks to lift and sculpt. Next, we go to the under eye area. I usually do 2 different exercises for this part. First, I slightly massage this area with the tip of my fingers for 20 seconds. Then I gently move upward and outwards to the temples. This exercise will brighten up the under eye area and reduce dark circles. Then I go up to the temples and do a mini massage on these parts to prevent any fine lines that appear when I smile. I do this for 10 times on each side. Exercise number 10 is one of my favorites because I'm obsessed with Foxy eyes. For this exercise, you have to be so patient and do this exercise so slowly outwards from the temples to the scalp. Next exercise is for puffy hooded eyes, which is the most wanted and you guys asking me a lot to make videos about it. While some people have hooded eyes at birth, others may develop hooded eyes as they grow older, which means that you can reduce or prevent it with regular massage. First, warm up the muscles and then depuff it by moving outwards to the temple. I call this massage depuffing because it moves the excess fluids to the lymph nodes that are on the temples and then moving them down to the lymphatic drainage system. Next exercise is for lifted brows and it has Botox effect on the brows. It's so simple and you can do this exercise everywhere and every time that you want. Do this massage slowly for 20 seconds on each brow. Next exercise is for frown lines. First we start by warming up this area, applying light pressure between the brows for 20 seconds. Then we go to the ironing massage. With knuckles, apply pressure over the brows and move outwards to the temples. Move so slowly and focus on the muscles here. Exercise number 14 is for forehead wrinkles. Again, start by warming up this area, massaging it for 30 seconds. Then gently lift the forehead with the tip of your fingers and do this for 10 times. And lastly, we finish it by massaging the scalp for 10 seconds or more. So this was it for today's video. Thank you for watching my video and see you in next one.